You do not have to be an expert to make money online. And I know you're probably thinking, oh, I don't have enough experience in this thing. Or you keep putting it off just thinking that you're just not ready yet to offer something online that can help someone. And I know because I've been there, just in my own head, continuing to put things off and just waiting for that perfect time. But there is no perfect time. In this video, I'm going to share with you why you don't need to be an expert and what you need to do to start making money online. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. I'm a full-time content creator and freelancer, and I just share different ways to make money online and just what I'm doing and things that have helped me get to this point on this channel. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna tell you why you don't need to be an expert. And for one, there's no such thing as a expert. Like, no one knows everything, right? There's always something to learn, right? So just kind of get that out your head, this whole expert thing, or thinking that you need to know everything about something to make money online. It's not true. Now, let me tell you what you need. You just need to be a step ahead of someone else, right? It doesn't have to be a huge step. It doesn't need to be a step of, oh, I need 10 or 15 years more of experience. No, it could be something small. You have to keep in mind, if you're offering something, whether that's a service or some type of, let's just say, digital product, that there are people at different stages, right? So there's multiple groups of people that you can serve. You could serve beginners, you have intermediate, and you have people that are more advanced. So let's say you don't have a ton of experience when it comes to something, you could serve that beginner group, because beginners don't really know too much. They don't really know anything, right? So if you've just been doing this thing, let's just say a couple of months, you're gonna be ahead of those beginners, so you can serve those people. So that's the first important step. You need to take a honest look at where you're at with this thing that you wanna offer in the form of a service or a digital product. And I think the service is the fastest way to monetize, and I think it's the easiest, but I'm going to talk about that later in the video. And then you can identify the group of, people that you want to serve, the level that they're at. And the next step in this process is you need a monetizable skill. And this could be offered as a service, which I think is the best. It's the fastest way to start making money, and I think it's the easiest. It's not easy, I just think it's easier than this other thing. Or you could package up your experience and knowledge on whatever you're trying to sell, and you can offer that as some type of digital product, like a course, an ebook, different things like that. Now, you can offer any skill. I think people get kind of hung up on this part. I mean, you can literally offer anything, and it doesn't just have to be online. It could be an in-person service, like cutting grass is something that you can offer that's in person. But just to give you some examples, right, of just things that skills I've acquired and things I can monetize. I can do a bunch of different things, guys. I've spent, these last, 5-6 years just skill stacking, which is something I'll talk about. I mean, I can cut hair, I can do personal training. As far as online stuff, I can do UGC, affiliate marketing, content creation, social media management. So there's a ton of different skills that I could monetize. Now, what I do recommend you do if you want to make money faster is you need to do a little bit of research. I'm not talking about weeks of research. Take a day or two and just kind of see what's available in the market. Kind of just see what people are offering, around what you're looking to offer. So what I want you to look for services, or if you want to offer something digital, you can look at digital products as well. But look for stuff that there's already a huge audience for it. There's already a huge demand for that digital product or service. So I'm saying this because this can fast track how fast you can get into the market and start making money. And the next thing you want to do is, obviously, you want to start offering this service or product. So I think hands down the best way to get your service out there and market what you have to offer is taking advantage of social media. For one, it's free. They do have paid marketing stuff, but you can easily tap into just free stuff and marketing on social media. I think in 2025 and moving forward, you have to get on video, right? You have to, I think it's best, I don't want to say you have to, but I think it's best to implement video marketing, especially with the rise of AI. People are looking for that human connection, like people that are buying, and they want to see the face behind the service, behind the brand. That's just what I think, you know, with all this AI stuff going on. So I think video marketing, content marketing is key. It's really going to help you stand out. You know, you could just hop on a social media platform of your choice. I think YouTube is the best platform to put yourself out there and attract people to whatever it is you have to offer. But there's also freelance platforms if you want to take that route. This is, you know, a place where clients are already at and they're searching for that product or service. So the ones that I have used and that I recommend is Fiverr and Upwork. So this is how you do it, guys. And I tried to just kind of break it down in a simple way because I think it can be, if you're not looking at it right, it could be a little bit overwhelming, or maybe it just seems like it's impossible to do, but it's really not. It's just about kind of identifying, you know, your core strengths and what you want to offer, and then going to the market and seeing where you can interject your services and products, and where within the market gives you the best opportunity to get the results that you're looking for. So go out there, create that thing, get out of your own way. Stop putting it off and thinking that you have to have, you know, more experience or you need more time. The best thing you can do is get in the trenches, right? That's how you're going to learn the best and actually, you know, get some results, right? You're not going to get results just thinking about something forever. That's all I got, guys. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment down below and I will answer your question. Drop a like if you got value. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.